out here on the coast with the Nikon Z9, and it's been a very stormy day. I'm actually sheltering under the trees from the rain. It's been pouring out hail, the wind's been blowing. It's quite wild out here. But I just wanted to talk to you really quick about one of my favorite features of the Nikon Z9 that I actually only recently discovered. And that is that it can shoot 4K 120 frames per second video in DX crop mode, which is pretty crazy because it allows you to get very close to your subjects, to wildlife, while still shooting high resolution slow motion video. And we'll talk a little bit more about that after watching some of these very entertaining birds. Up until now, I've mainly been filming with the Nikon Z9 in FX mode, using the full sensor, either shooting 8K 30 frames per second or 4K 120 frames per second. But now that I've discovered I can shoot in 4K 120 frames per second in DX crop mode, it means I can get much closer while still filming that slow motion video that I love to shoot so much. It's really been great for filming the birds flying around here and chasing each other. It's spring and they're all acting very silly. And right now I just want to continue on into the woods and take some pictures, maybe some forest wrens, woodpecker. Ooh, I just heard an owl. Let's get out there and get some more photos. Actually video, but both are cool. So it turns out the owls I heard earlier are in fact cormorants and herons, which have a giant nesting colony across the water there, which is extremely cool. They're building their nest right now. I have a video of that from a couple years back, and I definitely suggest you check that out. I'll have a link here for this so you can go see that. And I'll be back again to film that this spring with the Nikon Z9, and hopefully by then the 800mm PF lens as well, which I do have ordered and I'm extremely excited about. So if you want to see more about the Z9, the 800mm PF, and the Nikon 105 macro, which is a very nice lens, I've got to say, definitely subscribe to my channel. Maybe hit that like button too if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you all again next time. Bye!